real complex analysis, whenever I write this power series expansion and this function, then I will calculate a radius of convergence. The radius of convergence is a tool that will tell you in which region, what will be the region in which this and this will agree. Again I am repeating you, in the complex analysis, if function is analytic, then we can write the Taylor series. In complex analysis, this approximation, the Taylor series, this approximation will be exactly same as the function. Exactly same means the approximate value of this and the value of function, they will agree, but in real analysis it is not the case. So, this is the homework, you can go and try. This is the question they, if you go especially in interview, they will always ask, even not there, if you go for some people go assistant professor, these are very basic example, they will ask also, right. They can ask what is the difference between real analysis, power series and in complex analysis. In complex analysis, whenever you will write the power series, this approximation of value of the function will be exactly same, means the function and the approximation will agree, but in real analysis it is not the case. This is the example. I hope my main motive you understood, and that is the very important. That is why this complex analysis came. So, let us write the power series. Power series, let Fz be an analytic at Z, then Fz can be written as summation, or we can put at Z naught n factorial. If I have analytic function which is analytic at particular point Z naught, then I can write a power series expansion of the function in this form. This is the mathematical definition. What I want to tell you, see, let Z naught is a point, our function is analytic at point Z naught, then hey, what we are doing, just see, first of all our function is analytic at Z naught, this implies that our function is solid near the Z naught. So, what we are looking, actually we want to extend this solid up to some extent, right. So, what I am telling you, we are going to find we approximated a function with the help of a polynomial, right. These are the constant, definitely it will come out a polynomial approximation. So, we want to know in which region or up to which region this approximation and this function will agree. So, how to do that? Just take the extension, keep on extending, right. Suppose this is a point, I am extending my solid from the point Z naught, because it is given at Z naught, this is the analytic, I am extending it, and suppose we reach a point, say it is the DCE, at which the approximation and the value of function not agree. It is meaning that you stop here and take a disk around this here. So, this R is known as the radius of convergence. So, the radius of convergence is nothing, we are extending our solid from a point, कहाँ तक हम इसको एक्सटेंड करेगा, the point at which the approximation and the value of function not agree. Now you stop, this is the radius of convergence. Is it fine for everyone? Okay. In other word, once you start stretching the first point at which the approximation and this are not equal, we say, hey, this is the point that is some problem to the function. This point is a problem to the function. Is it fine for everyone? Be extending it, we got some point at which the function have problem. What problem? The problem is the approximation value at this point and the value of function not agree. In some other word, we say it is the singularity also. So, what is the singularity of a function? Nothing at which this approximation, power series approximation and the value of function not agree. So, every time you have to calculate this. I believe that everyone are aware and now we have done, right. So, let us look some problem based on it. It will be, it will be clear more. Let us see. So, means now we are able to calculate the radius of convergence also, right. Just we have to extend. Okay, the first one, find the radius of convergence. The first function is constant, some fz is equal to constant, we can take iota. Second is fz is equal to some polynomial pz. Third one, one upon z minus 2. Sin z. Okay. And you also you are able to write many functions also. Okay, good enough. So, do you have some example? Tell me, I should write that options also. Tell me some function. Anybody please? You also give me some example. Ardra, audio and the video are fine?
Yes, fine.
Okay. So, please give me some example. Okay, yeah, very good. I have example. Fz is equal to x square plus iota y square. Another एक और लिखिए आप, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल somebody gave, thanks, very good. Mod z square. Very good. Exponential, very nice. And many more, right. Now we should stop. Okay, so let us see it. Also we can write one of the important example, argument z. Let us see. I told you we are going to write first the power series